welcome back to my channel. Yes, I went to the Dollar Tree. I went to one of my favorite Dollar Trees. I had a doctor's appointment this morning, so I'm like, let's go to the Dollar Tree. Now, I saw this one item that I was super excited to find. I saw it on TikTok. This girl went crazy for it. Now, if you guys know me, I absolutely love Halloween. I love fall, I love Halloween. I'm like a huge fan of like spiders, skulls, you guys name it, I'm weird. Yes, I'm one of those weird people. But I had to go to the Dollar Tree this morning to get like a couple things. Just a couple things. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So the first thing is I walk in the store and they had all their like summer stuff still out, and I'm gonna just zoom in just a second, but they still had all their summer stuff out, and they had these reusable water bombs. Now, these are a lot different than what I got from like Temu. The ones that we got from Temu are awesome, and these ones look so weird. It's like a ball within a ball or something like that. Both flaps must be inside the ball. Push one flap down, submerge in water, release flap. So it looks like it does take a little bit, but I thought I'm gonna do a review for this and see how well these are. I mean, for $1.25, those magnetic ones are awesome, but they're kind of expensive. So I thought, let's do a review. So you guys will definitely see me do a review of those, if it's a fail or not, but I had to go ahead and get it. My husband went to Dollar Tree with me like a couple weeks ago, and he ended up getting these for the kids, and Ben, my son, absolutely loved them. These are on the smaller side. I know you can get bigger ones at like grocery stores and stuff, but there is 10 of them in here, and my son absolutely loves them. So I'm always on a hunt trying to find these, and my store finally had some. So I ended up getting 2 packs of the Powerade freeze things, because my kids just crazy love that. I saw this game. It's called the Road Trip Game. I thought this would be a great game to get. Well, it says for 12 players, or ages 12 and up. I thought this would be a good game to have when the kids are a little bit older, or if I'm ever with like adults or something that we need to be doing stuff. But I looked up this price. Walmart wants like $26 for this, and I think Amazon wanted $20. It is made from the creators of What Do You Meme? So I thought for $1.25, let's go ahead and get it. They also had another one. I can't remember what it was called, but it looked like you had to like write on stuff. And I'm like, nah, it's okay. But this one looks like it's a fun game to play in the near future when we're on like a road trip. And for $1.25, when it's originally 20-something bucks, I will definitely get it. Now, my store that I did shop at has a Dollar Tree Plus, and I was going crazy. I'm like, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. Just stop. So I saw this black glittery cat on a skull, and I thought this is adorable. I absolutely love this. This was $3 on it. It's like a hard plastic, but I thought this would be super cute for my decoration that I have. Like, I love cats. Since I can't have a cat anymore, I love skulls. Just couldn't go wrong with that. Couldn't go wrong with a black glitter cat for $3. Yes. My daughter was sad that I ended up going to the doctor's office without her. I had to like literally, she just woke up and I was walking out the door because I was running late. So I said I would give her a treat. So I got her a treat, and then I got my son a treat. So just got these. My son is into watermelon, and I don't know if he's ever had these before, but he just loves watermelon everything. So I got that. I was craving some like Tato Skin chips, so I just got some of the TGI Friday Tato Skin chips. Yes. And then I saw this. I thought this is super cute. It is like a stuffed animal. It's like 100% all stuffed. This is a fabric stacked pumpkin. I really like the design. They did have 2 different designs, but I really like this one because, again, I'm obsessed with spiders, and my favorite color is black, and I thought this was super adorable, and this was $3. So $3 for a stacked pumpkin. I'm like, yes, let's get it. And then when I was at the Dollar Tree a couple times, I don't do every haul, but I saw these like candle sticks of stacked skulls, and I regret not getting them. They were $5, and then I went to another Dollar Tree after I thought about it, and they only had just the silver ones left. So I got it. I'm like, we're gonna get the skull stacked candles. Well, these ones are exactly like it, but this is a pillar candle. This one bleeds red. So like you can see little red marks in it. but I plan on not burning it. I'm just using it as decoration. But yes, I'm weird, but I absolutely love this. This was $5, but I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I just got a cool candle holder, so I thought this would be perfect for on top of it. So I got that, yes. And then I got one little haul for you guys, one little lift bet. This is what I saw on TikTok. Now, this is a tiered, it's a 2-tiered spider tray. The girl that, the video that I saw her, I think she had bats, and then they also had ghosts, but I didn't know they had the spider web, and I'm like, we're gonna buy it, we're gonna buy it. I'm pretty excited. I want to do like a tiered tray on my kitchen table, and like, look at that, for $5. This is so cute, and I hope they have one for Christmas, because I'm definitely gonna get one for Christmas, or I hope they have like a neutral one, because then I can start like putting stuff on there for like all the holidays and everything. But had to get that. I'm super excited for the tiered tray. $5. Can't go wrong with that. Can't go wrong with that. And then I think I got one last item, and I ended up finding the books. My store got like a bunch of books, and they actually had some pretty decent books. But if you guys have been following me for a little bit, you know I've been hardcore reading books. I've been reading books. I'm almost on day like 250 for days in a row on reading. But I've been reading with my Kindle because it's me, it's easier, it's so much better. I don't have to purchase books and have, like, I don't have very much space for books. But I did find this. This is, it looks like maybe Walmart maybe have sold it, but they sold it for $12.79. I got this for $1.25. But this is the Smithsonian Maker Lab. And then I saw like a bunch of like rubber bands, and then I kind of was looking in it, and like they have stuff where the kids can like make your rubber band stuff. I saw where they can make some kind of like fizzy soap. Here's something to do with marshmallows. Like, I mean, for $1.25, I thought maybe we could make some kind of activity. Like, yeah, here's like make your own bath bombs or something like that. I'm like, this would be kind of a cute little book to get. So I got that for $1.25. So that was everything that I got. It wasn't like a huge haul. Since the Dollar Tree has changed to $1.25, I've kind of cut back big time on stuff, because for a while there I'm like, oh, it's just $1, it's just $1. Now I'm like, okay, do I really need it? And I've also tried to cut back on buying stuff that I don't need just for a video. There is a rumor that some of the Dollar Tree stuff will be going back to $1. Not everything, but they will be having stuff for $1. They will be having stuff for $1.25, and then if your store is a Dollar Tree Plus, then it's between $3 to $5. And I don't know if they sell $10 stuff there, but I'm pretty excited with what I got. Like, I couldn't pass it up. And I wanted to get one of these door signs. One said Hocus Pocus, which I really wanted. And then they had a really cool one with a teal that said the witch is in. And I'm like, oh, I want that. But then I'm like, I don't really need it. So I passed on it. But that was everything that I got at the Dollar Tree. Pretty excited. If you guys like kind of stuff like this, please let me know. I'm going to definitely try to find some fall stuff. I looked at their fall stuff that they had. I wasn't a big fan, but I will definitely check out some of the Christmas stuff when they get that. But especially now since my store has the Dollar Tree Plus, and I don't have to get all jealous at everybody doing all these hauls. But make sure you guys give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.